Hello everyone and welcome back to your channel Create Happiness.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind.
Mornings are always loaded with lots of work and rush for school and office times, which usually leads to stressful mornings. Preparing and having breakfast is an essential part of everyone's morning routine. I personally don't prefer spending much time cooking in kitchen during these peaceful morning hours. Rather, I spend time in something more productive.
Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate.
But breakfast being the most important meal of the day, we cannot ignore it. So, to make the process of preparing breakfast easy, I rely on some tools and appliances. And thought of creating a breakfast corner on my kitchen countertop using all these appliances. Choosing this part of countertop as there is easy accessibility to plug points for the appliances.
Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you.
Here I am arranging all the appliances on this stand so that they are easily accessible whenever I need them.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find.
In later part of this video, I will also tell how I use these appliances to make quick but healthy breakfasts every morning. But first, let's organize the space a little more. Wires of the appliances make the space look very cluttered. So I am using this basket in which I have already kept few attachments of the tools and appliances. I am simply going to insert the plugs from this handle of the basket. And here all the ugly wires are hidden inside this basket, making the space look clutter free. Here I have hung a floating shelf which is a DIY I made using a waste wooden plank and macrame thread. I have hung them using these self-adhesive hooks as I don't prefer drilling the tiles. I am placing few of my morning drink essentials here. A small artificial plant for just a dash of green. And here are some homemade protein laddus which are best to gobble up on busy mornings when you don't have enough time to sit and have breakfast. My favorite cup here to have my everyday morning drink.
Is the sky.
Now let us see one by one how I use them each and every day. It's been few months since I have replaced my morning drink from normal milk tea to cinnamon or green tea. And this electric kettle has been a great help to adopt this healthy change.
Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and
This egg boiler is a great help to me for preparing my husband's breakfast early morning as he leaves for his office. Whenever boiled egg is in menu for breakfast, the first thing that I do in morning is just put some eggs to boil in this egg boiler and just forget about it. And then I can go and take my own time to get fresh, as I have no worries to switch off this device, as it comes with an auto cut off feature whenever the water in the tray gets over. And you will get perfectly boiled egg every time without any fear of half cooked egg or cracked egg, which was a usual thing to happen with me when I used to boil eggs in cooker. My next companion is this hand chopper with 5 blades, which can easily chop vegetables into fine small pieces within seconds. It is very useful to finely chop vegetables whenever I am preparing breakfast like uttapam, poha, upma, dalia or vegetable oats, where we have to finely chop multiple vegetables. It also comes with this attachment to make buttermilk and a lid to cover the jar whenever you have leftover cut vegetables and keep it in fridge. Next is the sandwich maker, as me and my daughter love to have sandwich as our breakfast. To make my everyday sandwich healthy, I use multigrain or whole wheat bread instead of white sandwich bread and replace the cheese or mayonnaise with homemade green chutney.
walk with me. Let's leave the past behind.
You can also use hung curd as a replacement of cheese to make your daily sandwich healthy.
With me, there's something else we need to find.
Just grease your sandwich maker with some butter so that your sandwiches don't stick to it. Place the sandwiches inside, cover it and leave it to cook for few minutes.
Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand.
You can creatively use the sandwich maker for making some other breakfast also. Like I usually use them to make uttapams. This way I am able to make 4 uttapams at a time. The shapes may be different, but the taste is as good as the one we make on pans. I also use it to prepare some delights for my daughter as breakfast for her bad mood mornings, like pancake and chocolate sandwiches, etc. Within few minutes, soft and fluffy pancakes are ready. Just dress it with your kids' favorite dressing like honey, butter or chocolate syrup and make your kids happy. If you are someone who looks for parathas in the morning, here's a small trick. I purposely make some extra chapatis and sabzi previous night whenever I feel like I want to have parathas next morning or if I am running out of bread. This roti sandwich is no less than any treat in the morning. And you will be amazed to see your kids having roti sabzi in the morning with full interest. It is best if you can include some fruits in your everyday breakfast. Having fruit juice is best option for those who don't have enough time to have fruit in morning because of office time constraints. Only thing you need is some pre-preparation, like I keep some fruits and vegetables peeled and cut for at least 2 to 3 days.
Let's make footprints in sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you.
Choosing fruit is also good for those who don't have much interest in eating fruit, like me. On and whole, this idea of creating a breakfast corner was very helpful to me as it motivates me to make healthy, most important meal every single day effortlessly. Apart from the quick recipes that I showed, on weekends and holidays, I also prepare some delicacies that Indian families like to have as their breakfast. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, do consider subscribing to the channel too. See you in the next video.